Say hello. Ooh, this condition is interesting. It's been raining on it. I know it's been bad. We're gonna get in here and clean it up real soon. I'll probably let this window ventilate. So, for our working biscuit, he needs to have bugs exit first. So, I'm going to bomb him. Yeah, I'm gonna read his instructions. I'm gonna fog him, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I think this should kill everything. I'm gonna let it sit overnight, so it should be good. Yeah, it says I have to come back in 2 hours and let it ventilate, so I will do that. It's pretty late, but I can come back and just crack a window or let it air out for a bit. But it got holes in it, so it should air out itself. Fogging. Hopefully it kills all these bugs, and we will come back in 2 hours. There's so much work to do on this vehicle, but it's gonna turn out great. You're gonna get new tires, gonna get new color, new interior, carpet, and a chair or a seat. And we'll worry about all the trim. We'll take a look at underneath the hood. We'll get everything done so I can start using it and go from there. Alright, so I'm about to take out these. Ooh, that's so bad. I'm about to put on my suit and take out these bolts. You can't see, but that one. And the seat belt one as well may be a thing. And then the other side. And I gotta get that cobweb if you can see. And I gotta figure out how to get on the other side. But I'm gonna take these chairs out, take the carpet out, put the seat back in. Because I need to drive it temporarily, and then I need a new tire. Let me show you the tire. So, yeah. Can't practice if I get a flat. So I gotta get this taken care of. So I'm gonna go see if I can get a tire from somewhere and go from there. It's getting everywhere. I started on this side because this bolt is not, I'll show you guys where I do it. I got a spray out in here, and it's a cobweb right here. Look how many stains. I mean, this car is older than me, so like. It's really bad in here. So I'm gonna get that bolt and figure out how to get that star for the seatbelt. I might get a new seatbelt, so these can also go through. But yeah, so I'll do that as well. Maybe able to repurpose this seat. Just need a new carpet. Alright, so I got this bolt out. I gotta get a star pattern for the seat belts. So I don't look like I'm gonna need a star pattern anyway for a lot of this stuff. So I'm gonna go and get the bolt for that. Can you see that? And then I should be able to take the seats out. So quick Home Depot or AutoZone run. Get the star pattern bolts. Let me grab my tools. When we run out to roll up the window, you gotta help it. So worry about that later. But got that bolt off. I think I may have to chop off the other bolt on the other side. We'll see. So I got the bit for the seat belts. Super cool. At AutoZone, I also got the book for way cheaper than it was on Amazon. So I'm happy about that. And I have a tire inflator from Walmart. Will it work? I don't know, but let's see. You can see the tire there is sitting low. I think I can plug it in here to my car, so we'll see if it works. And then I also got something for the gas, if his car's been sitting for a long time. For the windows, I saw the guy had this to roll up the windows, so I won't have to use my little wrench thing I have. So let's see. Alright, I got my tool here. Online it said it was a T50 screw. So let's see if it is. And I could actually take these off too if I wanted to. Maybe a little smaller, but let's see if it'll fit. Take my glasses off. Jesus, that's such an awkward angle. Think it fits. Such an awkward angle. It looks like a perfect fit. My battery's getting low, so I'm gonna take it out and show you guys once I remove the entire seat and go from there. All right. All right, look at this. Is gross, bro. I had to cut the seatbelts. There was no way I was gonna get these seatbelts off. I didn't want to, especially not this one. Shoot. Oh well, I'll have to figure out how to rewire it. I got the book. Whatever. So I'll just get another seatbelt wire and rewire it for this one. Get that immediately. Look at this. I don't know who living here. They about to be evicted. Tell you that right now. This seatbelt don't even work. Gotta rewire the whole thing. Big crack in the windshield. All right. Hello. I need to get this as well out. This entire thing. This is the damage. The rest is really bad on the other side. Some of this doesn't look as bad as I thought. This is all the shit. The ish. Gotta stop cussing. But this place is so gross. This. Let's try to punch my foot through there. Yeah, I feel it. I'm not gonna go more. I feel it. Yeah, this is everything. Let me zoom out a bit. There we go. And I need to get this out because there's water underneath there. For some reason, water was in here. It's not water sealed tight, so when it rains, it gets messed up. So that sucks. Yeah. And let me take off the seatbelt thing. Okay, real quick, I am gonna take this dash off because I want to like just get in all the cobweb areas. So that's what I'm working on. It still smells like 1980s in here. And I'm working on getting that off here. So we'll come back once that's done. I'm gonna tape up everything and take a break for the day. I'm a little hungry and tired.